You obviously have those qualities as well, don't you? Yes, you do.
Well, you know, maybe my cooking could could brush up a little bit.
Oh, I think that's our fire alarm.
Wow.
OK.
Or maybe that's
Right
not
then,
talking about...
we'll link to a VT just in case. Do we?
Well, listen, while we've got this fire alarm, I've got a very odd question for you. What do you get if you cross cows and bats?
Cows and bats?
Yeah.
Battle.
OK. No. What you get is very happy bats. We're going to pop out.
Yeah.
You watch
Hopefully
this
we'll see you in a little while.
OK.
We don't often think of domesticated animals as having and how that can benefit seriously endangered animals like the greater horseshoe bat.
We're leaving the One Show there for now on BBC One, and we're trying to correct the fault. We'll be back as soon as we can. We've left the One Show there for now on BBC One. Now, in the meantime, here's a little something extra. Well, apologies for the loss of the One Show, but we're back on track here on BBC One with Rip Off Britain next.
This is an attempt